If you plan to take the Czech A2 permanent residence language test, you should know that there was a significant change in how to register in 2024. In this video, I will tell you exactly what is new and I will guide you step by step through the registration process. Last year, you had to patiently wait till there was a date slot in any of the schools. Then you had to grab it before anyone else. There has been a lot of complaints about this process because it was almost impossible to register for the exam. Now the process of registration changed completely. You no longer need to track the exam dates on the website. You can register anytime without restrictions. You can choose which school you want to go to in the registration form. When you submit your registration, you will receive a confirmation. As soon as there is a vacancy in the school, the application will be created automatically and you will receive a confirmation. Then the online applications are created based on the order of the registration. The school will contact you and you will then complete the exam application together. Then you should continuously check your application to know exactly how many applicants are ahead of you in the process. Well, this sounds very nice until you check how many students are waiting before you. Now let's answer some of the frequent questions. Can you choose a particular school? Yes, you can. You can even choose more schools. But of course, that would mean that you will wait longer. If you don't choose any particular school, you will be assigned the first open date when your turn is up. How do you know that you're registered? You will get an email with passwords so you can follow your registration. How do you know that you've been assigned your exam date? Well, you should check your registration regularly, so you know how many students are ahead of you and if you already are assigned the exam date. Can you choose your exam date when your turn is up? No, the exam date will be automatically generated for you. Can you change the date of the exam once it's generated for you? Yes, but only in certain serious cases like work travel, illness, and so on. Can you apply twice in case you fail the first time? No, if you fail, you have to register again from scratch. Now I will guide you through the registration process step by step. This is the site where you register. You can find the link in the description. Here you can see the number of registrations ahead of you. And right here you can choose your language, but I strongly suggest you fill it in Czech, because it is a good preparation for the test itself. There you may be obliged to fill a form similar to this one. In the field Škola, you pick a school or more schools where you would like to do your exam. Remember that if you go too narrow in your choice, then you may wait longer for the exam date. The schools you pick from a drop-down menu. Well, if you don't pick anything, you will be assigned the first free date. This means you will go earlier, but it can mean that it will be in the other part of the Republic. And you will probably go there twice, because first to register and pay for the exam and second for the exam itself. Let's continue. Jméno, it's name. Příjmení, that's surname. Let's put it in. Číslo cestovního dokladu, pasu. That's your passport. Nothing else is accepted. Státní občanství, nationality. This is again from the drop-down menu. Pohlaví, it's male or female, muž nebo žena. Again from the drop-down menu. Datum narození. Datum narození. Day of birth. Let's put it in. Telephone and email. Phone number, email. Let's write it down. You will get the information about the registration process here, so be sure to check it regularly. Adresa pro zaslání osvědčení. Address where you receive your certificate. Let's write it down. Ulice, street. Číslo domu, house number. Obec, town. PSČ. In Czech it is poštovní směrovací číslo. The zip code. Stát, state. It is already pre-filled. Now you check that everything is correctly populated. Check the box that you have read the information about personal data processing. And boom! Odeslat registraci. Send the registration. Well, and now you have to patiently wait for your exam date. And while waiting, you should work hard on your Czech so you pass the exam on the first try. With this can help my Patreon page. There are many exercises and sample tests and other premium materials for the exam preparation. You may click this button right here to go there right now. It is just $6 per month and it's definitely worth it. Uvidíme se příště. Ahoj!